everyone, how are you all? Okay, so today I am here with a very interesting video. That is a video I will draw a card on this new year 2022. So I will make something very interesting with this thing, and that will be a new year card type of thing. So first of all you have to write 2022, and then okay, so first of all you have to write in a piece of paper 2022, and then you have to just make a heart like this with this 2022. So I just made a heart with this 2022, and in this you can write happy new year. So in between the heart you can write like this, happy new year. Now with this 2 you can make a cute little bird, cute beautiful bird. So for this you can make a wing, and then you can draw like this, and a beak. This is the thing you can draw, and then you can just, so this is what you can draw like this. Make one eye. So this is a bird. Now you can join the lines like this and make the tail of the bird like this. This is the tail of the bird. You can draw like this. So this is the tail which I have drawn, and so this is the, with 2 you can say make such a beautiful bird, and then you can draw combine like this, all like this. This is a tree, branch of a tree. You can join like this. Now in the same way you can draw the bird on this side also. So this is again the bird on this side. So this is another bird, very beautiful bird. And now the tail of this bird I will draw. And then I'll make the legs also, the feet of this bird. So this is the drawing. And then on this side you can make, with this too you can make a beautiful twig. Some leaves you can add here and there. And now you can make a highlight it with the sketch pen. So I'll just make a highlight with this help of a sketch pen. And please, before proceeding further, I just want to request you all to please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Share it with everyone, and share this card with everyone. This is a beautiful card I'm making for this new year. So share it with everyone. They can also draw for each other, and they can wish each other with this card also. And on my channel you can get many other type of videos, like educational videos are there, worksheets are there, and nursery kit is also there. You can use it for homeschooling, teachers can use them for school. Drawings are there, stories are there. So many types of videos you can get from my channel. And please subscribe it, share it with everyone who ever love to draw, or who is creative and is education and is in the education field. So this is the bird. I'm highlighting it. So this is a new year card, and now you can color it with whatever color you want. These birds are very beautiful, and they are colorful. So I will color it with different colors. So I will start coloring it. First of all, I'll color the wings with this one with red color. You can color it with whatever color you want. I will color it with red color. These birds are very beautiful and they comes in different colors. So, and now I will color it with yellow color. This wing is with yellow color. And this I will color, the lower portion I will color with blue color. So like this you can color all the portions of the bird and make it colorful. So I have colored this bird now, and you can see how beautiful it is looking, how beautiful it looks. And you can also color it with whatever color you want. And from my side, happy new year 2021 to all of you. May you all get whatever you want in this coming year, and may this new year bring many lots of happiness to you all. So happy new year from Butterfly Online Academy. And if any of you want to learn drawing in this new coming year, please comment me, and you can email me at butterflyonlineacademy@gmail.com. We will contact you very soon. So once again, happy new year 2022 to all of you.